Meaning of humor.
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 Humor. Humor is a multifaceted concept that can be defined as the quality of being amusing, comical, or entertaining. It can refer to a particular type of comedy, such as satire, irony, or slapstick. Humor can also be used to lighten serious situations or to express one's personality and outlook on life. The effects of humor are widespread, ranging from improving social connections and reducing stress to enhancing creativity and learning. Overall, humor plays an essential role in human communication and interaction, bringing joy and laughter into our daily lives.